Kakertong jong ke NPP ka banyak kun ya ke election MP Lok Sabha National Parliamentary Constituency ka kong Ampareen lingdo ka balong ru ka menteri ke sarkar jella hak se palai jong ka tayau ka laong balada ka sajit ban mi khmat ya ke jella hak yeng dorbar parliament kan pin ki win ban pin board ya ke sarkar pedeng halor ka mat jing dawa pentri kam ya ke inline permit hak jella bat ka laong bakan kren ru halor ka jing sha ban ben ki kentai bat ki de ki mat bakong san.
Habayakran bagi nong patai kubor i Dr. Ampareen lingdo ilong bagajing ai tiket ke NPP ki armut kilong kume banekon ke election MP Shaklok Sabha nagajela kalong ban pen kubor bakin la banekran baneda ban pen sngo ya gajing sha thombor ki kentai ke bajuja hagajela bat hakari hakabede bagajing kenno ta asiali ya ki score sheet kino hikai hagisnam arhajar shipho kabarang saateng hagayeng syari i Dr. Ampareen lingdo ilong bawat jukenno nong tu yuno Kemdayo ya kemohor jong ke yang bishar. Nomor haduk menta ijulej ke yang bishar beritip bahai ke jenglong jengman jong ke mokok duma. Ila kentu gipat ba bakem dai ban nget ikini jeng kento kat ba ke yang bishar hi kampat ai kan ke jeng bishar ke bapura. Ila kentu kisengsan pertai baken kiar na ke jeng syem kabu na kene ke mokok duma bedai bat ke jersey thongkam nong hikai. Kabarang dan hapeng ke jeng bishar ka yang syari.
Ba wat penrem nong tu yau nu nong chok nong lem da yo ya kamohor jong ka yeng bisa wat pen kela ya kata ka isu namar bangan ya thu ya pi ngi ki balet chakot ngi tip ya ka jinglong ka jingman jong kata ka kes pila ban keno kapor kan sabatay ngimla mangi ban sumudur bet ba oh kata si kaju lakanus naman tayo nga git ya kata ba kaya talan nga ong ipi kusyar pat ba kapat wan hi ka kot ruling what you ngap yano ay kinang pendon kam bakala magi no problem nga ngamlek siya Rynsan Election ba keren ni ka namar kam day Rynsan ba nga keren nganlet siya kot jaka kaban ngap ya kajing keren jong. Number 1, the case is now being currently heard in the courts. It would be sub judice on my part to speak about it. However, I would like to say and place on record, the case is well being heard in the courts. I have never at any point of time been convicted. Let no political party take advantage of this and make it look like I have been convicted. The truth will reign supreme. I stand by that. I will not speak more, but I am confident that the truth will emerge as it is. Do not use it, because at one point of time, there will be repercussions of all of this. I will not speak more. No man is guilty until proven otherwise. Use it, throw that ball around. I am not afraid because I'm doing greater things. And when I go to court, I know what is being discussed, not the man on the street or the politician who will be trying to bat with that with me. I'm ready. I'll take you on.
Halor ke jingkam ba kinong syasnong krilum khasi jantia kem pediang ya ke NPP. Nagaliang i Dr. Ampareen iloong balada kipat ba kejela kem pat pediang ya ke NPP kumno ya kejela pat layo mensensyar ke NPP. Ba nagaliang unong yalam ke NPP ubasnya balang dar uloong ba kadai keseng NPP ke beliau kurbon tam ki vote hagi election ke balalet ha kejela. Iloong ru bagi pat ba kemdai bancai lambakla hag social media ki bekentok kat bamon bat kat sabagi syaliang.
Ngan itu ipi lada ka social media kahap rai lut ya kesan pertai ka social media kan rai ya kimokot duma hapokot ka social media kan rai ya kariam kabet jongi kikenthei ne karukom im kirang ba hakastir ke jongi tangi bakla sibot tapi lahap payal election no ha social media kat mo pinang one tap bot hi siya po ka polling station but pijit ya ka candidate kabla ito tang election commission Tongin iakren ni kita ke issues ki bayahan. Ngim don pod bangin ya dilute ya ka conversation juga.
Kakertong ke MPP na kebentak election ke Lok Sabha i Dr. Ampareen Lingdo. Ilaong ba in pen ki wen hadali hagaban penbor ke sarkar pedeng bahkan Shimrai no halor kejing dawa ban pen tereka mek in line permit dari syajit menong ke MP hak election ke Lok Sabha ke banlong hagas 6 arhajar arpusau. Ilaong ba in iakren ni kaniatang hak yang darbar parlimen henrei in le kanu kakam ke ban kring ke kejing mo jeng berkat halor ke negamat. Ilaong ru bagi sarkar jelah pok kejing alam ke NPP iklim eno agimat jeng dawa ke jelah bat ila shim kiaru haga bedai bagi jeng temu ban penkala ya ka kernit ke bahan riau ke ridi sensyari ke sarkar jelah kala menjeru ban trailang ban penklan di district council ke badan haga jelah bat lada syajit kum ke MP in shim kia ban bukdien halor kini kimat jeng dawa jong ke jelah.
We must not dislocate the one fact where 60 MLAs jointly signed a memorandum to the government of India. At that point of time, party flags were put aside. All leaders in the Legislative Assembly put forward their agreement to have the implementation of the ILP. Unfortunately, it was always the state government who was rallying along with the MP of Tura seat of the state of Meghalaya. Now I will join hands with the government, with Tura MP and myself, and believe me, we'll make a ruckus. They have to take a decision. I can tell you one thing, we will speak not just in the house, in parliament. We will create and generate a focus on this agenda. We have sat across the table. I have read all of the follow-up dialogues and discussions that the NPP MDA1 had with stakeholders. I have read the report thoroughly. I know what was being said then. We will follow through on the ILP agenda with the same spirit. We cannot move away from what was discussed with all stakeholders.
Ha bakli ladai Dr. Ampareen ijab ke election MP manopat banmi banekon ke election MLA na ke East Shillong constituency. Ha bajubab ikane i Dr. Ampareen Lingdo im shimnatre man kran ai beriloong ba ai be in jam sha shakmat bar geseng kala ban penkrea an rupat ba unsa shim garai. Iloong ba kayeng kasem jong i kadai kapal IT mans ngobha na kabentau pat ba. But in yale yak election na kapor shakapor. Bat kilong ki bakloy ban syakri upat ba bat ilong bamenta kila don yo MDC bat ka khun jong iru kala he bat kan syong pat ki pat ba ban syem ya karai
Mungkin saya beri bujuli pat pada khun ya ka election na ko lang sa
Nga ngoong yipi kum ni uhati udang syaklau ngilaya terwadi utah ay ngan cross ya kata ka bridge lada piong yengi to ka parti kampung krek mo ngi pen krek upat ba unsaray pila banong bao nepotism nakaju si kaju kaye dewan yala election ken penrem pindalala pun penrem tingin siya kana kan kata kayeng kasem kajungi kalong kayeng kabala IT monsobha nakabentaw pat ba bad ngin yay yale yak election nakapor siya kapor rai upat ba pindas snowdan kami kayeng kasem jing ba Peter Marbanyang ngilong ki bakloy ban serve yapi mentangi don si MDC ikon jongai Grizel ilahe lalong very capable banyale I can rai ki pagbaken hindi mga banray ka seat election pindayi ang hajar pra kaklemwan ka seat congress siya kayeng iba pitar ka kon iba pitar kahap yale da election ka bajuan adu kata-kata Klam ay nga to ka ticket mo. What ong baka bangijit tang yakaway kaya. Pila ban bisni mo pigi bakaren. Ray pag ba tutulit eh. Tingin siya le.
Katang